Today is May 31st, also known as Dragon Boat Festival. In this video, we'll see the Dragon Boat Race. Hope you enjoyed this video. The next race will begin in...
我話唔抵啊！跟住佢嗌我後邊嗰人咧，見我識佢咧，就塞咗兩隻俾我。
No, they're still...
好彩啫，即係因為咧啲貪心嘅俾人見到屎咯。係邊個？
The next race will begin
花嗰個係
very soon.
唔係？佢又請啲港姐對。
I need cake, so let's hope for the best.
佢哋比賽啊，上屆嘅港姐，我喺個藍色旗嗰度嘛，見到，但係呢度喎，咁咪就係喎。佢有冇份行啊？梗係冇啦，唔知喎，嗰日真係你唔講我都講。
Five boats? No, six. Like 8 boats?
出晒汗啦，頭髮濕晒。係咁㗎啦。
Let's hope for the best. Subscribe to Benny's Videos YouTube. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, enjoy the video.
Don't know. Wait till the announcement.
Yeah. I don't know the announcement. Yeah, this race. It's
嗰個打鼓嗰個咪好緊要咯，
very...
鼓手啊嗰個。
Yeah, very soon. Bye bye.
我哋行翻前少少。
LOL, thousands of people watching this one race.